Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Couple quick clarifications. Number one, I am trading futures. If you don't know what futures are, I'll put a link down below to a totally free 4-part series that'll walk through the futures market, how it all works, but something that maybe gets you interested very quickly. If you want to be a day trader, meaning you have unlimited day trades every single day, then you can do that in the futures market because there is zero pattern day trading rule. So again, if you want to have unlimited day trades for very small amounts of money, then you can get that pulled off in the in the futures world. Which, second part, I am also in the prop firm world, meaning I am trading futures through a prop firm. So what is a prop firm? How does a prop firm work? Which prop firm am I using? And just kind of what is the prop firm world in general? Check out the link that's up on the screen there. I'll put a link also down below in the description area. But in a nutshell, a prop firm is a way for you to risk very little of your own money, and then you have a whole lot of upside potential. So if that sounds like something that could be of value to you, then definitely check out that link. So I will pause the screen recording software for now, and I'll be back and as soon as I find a potential trade. All right, I'm looking to get long at that green line. Long at the green line if it wants to come up there. Close. Down it goes. Want to see. Now it's just dropping down. Get to right there now. And only want to buy if it can come back up to that green line. Getting close. Okay, I'm in. And push up here now. Moving all over right now. Let's see if that's cleared out all the sellers. Still apparently around. Let's see if the buyers can step in enough, clear out all the sellers, and then make a push back upwards. Definitely taking a little bit longer than what I thought, but trying to give this thing a chance. Blue line is my entry. There we go. If it gets above the blue line, that is good for me. Trying to make a push. There we go. Going. Not good. That's not good at all. Well, in hindsight, maybe I should have just taken that out right there. I thought it was going to get more of a push than that, but as of now, looking like it gave me a chance to get out green, but I don't know if that was greed. I don't know what you want to call it, but that might have been my chance. Feeling so hot about things now, but we'll see. All right. I decided to just take that one. That was a wild ride, and this might be where it goes. But right now, I have recency effect, meaning this traumatic moment right here is just weighing too heavily on my mind. So, and there it goes. That's the recency effect for you right there. Well, that's nasty movement here. Yikes! Wow, this is some nasty price action. Now, let me also. I need to be fair. I need to be fair. Clay, why don't you just get it? Why were you holding? Because again, there. And in my defense, I was right. It's like, okay, is this going to be some sort of choppy stuff here? And yeah, it was choppy. It was choppy enough where I was able to stay in, and it chopped up enough to give me green. And then it came back down. But yeah, this is rough, ugly trading right now. It's come through there. Wow. Okay, short there. Maybe I just shorted the bottom on. No, I'm short, so I want it to get below that blue line. That would be a good thing. Or maybe this thing just V-shapes straight back up and creates pain. And I couldn't even get out there. Unbelievable. All right. 850 now. This is a clown fiesta. That might have to be the video or the name of this video. This trading. Now, I don't even want to put it on YouTube, but I hit the record button. So it's going on YouTube. But yeah, this is definitely I get it. I'm up, but I'm also objective enough as a trader to realize that this has just been an absolute clown fiesta. All right, I'm going to try one more trade here at the red line to get short. I've changed contract type, so if I'm right, I won't make a whole lot, but if I'm wrong, I'll be able to protect my gains. Obviously, I'll still lose some of my gains, but it won't be a total loss of anything. All right, well, looking like it might not want to come back down, so. B, B. My first target would be another target. Assess. Put my first, or my entry there. Get a couple targets scattered out there just in case it all of a sudden snaps down. So there's my entry, and then these would be my opening profit targets. Maybe this thing is just not going to come back down. All right, I'll pause. I'll keep you updated. All right, and the update on that is I'm now going to just cancel all that out. I tried, waited for confirmation, never got it, which is always a good thing of confirmation because had I just started shorting, kind of up around here, possibly a losing trade at that point. So, do you always wait for or do I always wait for confirmation? I don't, but there's always pros and cons. Is this really going to come? Yeah, that's just, oh, that is so just wiki. That's crazy. All right, I'll pause. All right, I'm going to try short here. Look at these wicks. I like this one. I could put my stop right. Now, if it comes up too high, I'm going to have to cancel this order out. But right now, I can at least put my stop right there if it wants to come back. Okay. The higher, I can make an adjustment a little bit right there. Put my stop there if I get filled. Okay, I'm in. Okay, I got that target hit. Could still be a losing trade. Actually, let's make sure it's not a losing trade. Just put this slightly in the green. There we go. Wow. And that, okay. Well, and that fastest snap back up to take me out, but wow. Okay. Wow. And right back up it goes. All right. Yeah. Just what a clown fiesta action. Yeah, I'm good. Before I do go, though, if you are struggling as a trader, if you're maybe new, then I would highly recommend you sign up for this free live online class that I'm offering now. If you're a battle-hardened veteran and you have just a great strategy and all that sort of stuff, I mean, you're welcome to attend. I'm not quite sure you're going to get anything from the class, but my confidence level goes way higher for those of you that are either new traders or struggling traders. Definitely get signed up for the class. Like I said, I'm quite confident it'll give you some things to consider and think on that very well could help you out in your journey. So either go to claytrader.com/live or just click on the link in the description area to learn when the next live class is. So overall, a good day, but yeah, there is definitely some clown fiesta elements to it too. And also, I have been live streaming at 11 a.m. Eastern. And then usually I go for a few hours. So if you're around, subscribe, turn on notifications so you can be reminded of when I do go live. But yeah, come hang out during the day. So thanks for watching, everybody. Take care.